Hello my dear students, good afternoon. Welcome back for the next lecture. Today's topic is field of two plain parallel sheets of charge. In the previous lecture, I have explained you the electric field density due to a infinite thin sheet. And what was the expression? The expression was E equals to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. Today we will take two sheets. So let us consider two sheets. Say this is one sheet and say this is sheet number 2. So this is first, this is second. Let its surface charge density be sigma 1 and here it is sigma 2. And both sigma 1 and sigma 2 is greater than 0. We are doing case number 1. Both are positive in charge. So this is also positively charged and both are very thin sheets. It means we have only one layer of charge. Both are positively charged. But the density of first plate is small. It means here the charge is more dense as compared to sheet number 2. So what is the electric field because of sheet number 1? Electric field because of sheet number 1 is sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. And electric field because of sheet number 2 is sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Now we have three regions. Region number 1, region number 2 and region number 3. तो इन तीन regions में हमें electric field intensity निकालनी है. Let's see. If it is sheet number 1 and the charge density is sigma 1, तो इसकी electric field कैसे जाएगी यहाँ से? इस साइड, say this is E1 और इस साइड. If it is E1, it should be minus E1 since the direction is opposite to this. If it is E1, it should be minus E1. So the positive direction is this. This is the positive direction. Yes, this is sheet number 2. इसकी चार्ज डेंसिटी कितनी? सिग्मा 2. तो इसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैसे होगी? इसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी इससे जाएगी. दिस इज E2 और इससे रहेगी. दैट इज माइनस E2. Now see, we have three regions. What is E1? E1 का मॉड कितना? Sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon. What is the magnitude of E2? It is sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Both sheets are plain, conducting, infinite and very thin. So we have three regions. Region number 1, region number 2, region number 3. So say in region number 1, let's take a cylindrical Gaussian surface. Say this is a cylindrical Gaussian surface. तो हम region number 1 यहाँ पे निकालना चाहते हैं. तो instead of drawing the whole cylindrical Gaussian surface, I am just drawing a circular cap here. तो आप देखें इस सर्कुलर कैप को कौन कौन सी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कट कर रही है. पहले तो ये कट करेगी इस साइड. दिस इज माइनस E1. ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तो उधर जा रही है. ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऐसे आ रही है और इस साइड कट करेगी माइनस E2. ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहां जा रही है? उस साइड जा रही है. इट मीन्स here the flux is because of this electric field and this electric field. Or you can say the electric field which is left hand side of both the sheets. वो electric field जो दोनों sheets के left hand side. So once again इस circular cap को कौन कट कर रही है? कौन सी electric field कट कर रही है? ये वाली, क्योंकि ये यहां से ऐसे जा रही है. ये वाली नहीं कट कर रही क्योंकि ये वो उससे जा रही है. ये वाली कट कर रही क्योंकि ये ऐसे आ रही. ये कट इट है. ये वाली कट नहीं कर रही क्योंकि ये उससे जा रही. तो व्हाट इज द नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन द फर्स्ट रीजन? नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन द फर्स्ट रीजन इज माइनस E1 प्लस ऑफ माइनस E2. तो हियर आई एम टेकिंग द मैग्नीट्यूड ओनली. माइनस E1 प्लस ऑफ माइनस E2. व्हाट इज E1? सिग्मा 1 अपॉन 2 epsilon naught. तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर माइनस सिग्मा 1 अपॉन 2 epsilon naught. Again minus, what is the E2? Sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. take minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught common. So what we get? Sigma 1 plus sigma 2. This is equation 1. And this is the electric field in this region, in the region number first. Minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, sigma 1 plus sigma. See, negative. If it is a positive direction, this is a negative direction. It is minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Now let's see in region number second. So this is region number second. Again, let us consider a point here. Let us consider circular cap here. Now, इस circular cap को कौन सी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कट करेगी? Obviously, ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इधर जा रही है तो नहीं कट करेगी. ये वाली yes, ये वाली इसको यहाँ इस साइड जा रही है तो ये वाली this electric field will cut it. ये वाली yes, ये वाली इधर आ रही है तो this will cut it like this. ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं कट करेगी क्योंकि ये उस साइड जा रही है. तो electric flux is because of these two fields. And which is the stronger one? E1 is stronger than E2. Why E1 is stronger than E2? Why? Because sigma 1 is greater than sigma 2. क्योंकि इसकी चार्ज डेंसिटी ज्यादा है इससे, तो इसलिए E1 is stronger than E2. So what is the net electric field between the two plates? It is E1 minus E2. Again we are taking the magnitude only. E1 minus E2. What is E1? Sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Minus, what is sigma E2? Sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. Take common 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. What do we get? Sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Electric field here is sigma 1 minus sigma 2. And what's the direction of this? Net direction? Net direction is this. This is the net direction of electric field in the second region. This is equation number 2. What's the net direction of this? This is the net direction. This is net direction of electric field in the first region. So we have done two regions. Now we are in region number 3rd. This is the 3rd region. What will be the electric field? So let us consider a point here. And let us consider a circular cap here. Circular cap is a portion of the Gaussian surface which is cylindrical in shape. I am not drawing the whole cylinder here. I am just drawing a circular cap here, for example. So which electric field will cut it? क्या ये कट करेगी? No, क्योंकि इधर जा रही है. क्या ये कट करेगी? Yes, क्योंकि ये इससे जा रही है. It will cut it like this. तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इसे कट कर रही है. क्या ये वाली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कट करेगी? No, क्योंकि ये इस साइड से इधर जा रही है. क्या ये वाली कट करेगी? Yes, it will cut it here. तो electric flux is because of E1 and E2. And since both are in the same direction, so they will add up. So what is the net electric field? Direction of electric field will be this side, and this is electric field in the 3rd region. See here, electric field in the 3rd region, it is E1 plus E2. इन दोनों को plus कर देंगे. Why? Because they are in the same direction. What is sigma E1? Sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. What is E2? Sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. We will add it. We will take the common 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. And what is left inside? Sigma 1 plus sigma 2. This is equation number 3. So we have 3 regions and we have 3 electric fields. This side, and that. And between the two plates, electric field is from higher charge density to a lower charge density, or you can say which has a greater charge density towards a plate which has a lower charge density. जिसकी charge density ज़्यादा है उससे जिसकी चार्ज डेंसिटी कम है. पॉजिटिव ज्यादा पॉजिटिव से कम पॉजिटिव प्लेट की तरफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है between the two regions. This is the first case when sigma 1 and sigma 2 both are greater than 0, both are positive, but sigma 1 is more than sigma 2. Now let us take a second case. Second case is the electric field in case of parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Although parallel plate capacitor is later in the lesson, but फिर भी मैं इसको थोड़ा बता रहा हूँ. What is a parallel plate capacitor? What is a capacitor? Capacitor is a charge storing device. It is also called energy storing device. It stores the energy in the form of electric field. And what is a parallel plate capacitor? Parallel plate capacitor is a capacitor which is made up of two parallel conducting plates separated by a small gap. So let us consider a parallel plate capacitor. So let us consider parallel plate capacitor. For example, this is a plate number 1. This is plate number 2. पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर में क्या होता है, दोनों प्लेट एक ही जितनी एरिया की होती है और एक ही साइज की होती है, बट चार्ज भी एक जैसा होता है, बट एक में पॉजिटिवली और एक में नेगेटिवली चार्ज होता है. सो दिस प्लेट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड इट इज अ थिन प्लेट एंड दिस प्लेट इज इक्वली negatively charged. So we have to find the electric field intensity because of this parallel plate capacitor. So again we have three regions: region number 1, region number 2, region number 3. If it is plus sigma, तो इसकी electric field यहाँ जाएगी. This is E. I'm not writing E1 or E2. Why? Because both are equal but opposite in sign. So this is E. Here it is minus E. If it is minus sigma, this kind of electric field इसके इस साइड आएगी, and this is E, और ये इस साइड आएगी, this will be minus E. See why minus E? This is the positive direction. तो इस साइड जाने वाली फील्ड को हम पॉजिटिव लेंगे और उस साइड से इधर आने वाली को नेगेटिव लेंगे. तो what is E here? What is E? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus minus, एक प्लस है, और what is the other electric field? Minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. तो इसकी sigma by 2 epsilon और इसकी minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So we have three regions, you know, first, second and third. आप इन फॉर्मूलेस को भी डायरेक्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. कैसे यूज करेंगे? हम सिग्मा 1 की क्या लिख देंगे? प्लस सिग्मा बाय प्लस सिग्मा, और सिग्मा 2 की क्या लिख देंगे? माइनस सिग्मा. तो रिप्लेस this formula by putting sigma 1 equals to sigma and sigma 2 equals to minus sigma. So we get an answer. Let's do direct way. So in region number 1, अगर हम इसमें sigma 1 की क्या लिख देंगे? sigma 2 की क्या लिख देंगे? माइनस सिग्मा. तो इसकी क्या लिखेंगे? माइनस सिग्मा, माइनस माइनस प्लस. यहां पे क्या आएगा? sigma 1 की क्या आएगा? सिग्मा, और सिग्मा 2 की क्या आएगा? माइनस सिग्मा. What is the answer? 0. It means electric field here is 0. In region number second में क्या? Same. sigma 1 की क्या लिखेंगे? Sigma. Instead of sigma 1 we'll write sigma. In place of sigma 2 I'll write minus sigma. Minus minus become plus, और here I write sigma 1 क्या मैं लिखूंगा? sigma, और sigma 2 क्या लिखूंगा? minus sigma and minus sigma becomes plus sigma. Sigma and sigma 2 sigma, and this gives rise to, what do we get? sigma by epsilon naught. तो इसके बीच में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितनी होगी? sigma by epsilon naught. Come to third region. इसमें भी क्या करेंगे? sigma 1 की क्या लिखेंगे? sigma 2 की क्या लिखेंगे? माइनस sigma 1 की जगह sigma 2 की जगह माइनस sigma. तो this cancels, the answer will be 0. You see, here the electric field will be 0. This is one way. It's very simple. आप पहले इसको करें, get an expression, and instead of sigma 1 put plus sigma, and in place of sigma 2 put minus sigma. So we get these answers. The electric field outside the plate is 0, and between the plates it is uniform, and it is sigma by epsilon naught. If you want to do it directly, so let's do directly without using this formula. Let's do directly using the concept. Let's do If you want to find the electric field here, तो यहाँ पॉइंट लें और यहाँ पे एक सर्कुलर कैप रखें. Which electric field will cut it? ये वाली? Yes. This is minus E. ये वाली तो नहीं कट करेगी, क्यों? It is going that side. क्या ये वाली कट करेगी? Yes. ये वाली कट करेगी, क्यों? क्योंकि ये यहाँ से आ रही है. It is coming from infinity to here. So this will come. So what is the electric field in the first region? In region first, electric field will be minus E plus E, that is 0. So what is electric field here? Electric field will be 0. In region number second, in second region, let's do in second region. फिर करते हैं. For example, हमारा पॉइंट ये है. Let's take a circular cap. अब इसको कौन कौन से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कट कर रहे हैं? क्या ये कट करेगी? नो. क्यों? ये यहां से कहां जा रही है? टू इंफिनिटी. यू विल नॉट कट. क्या ये कट करेगी? यस. ये यहां से कट करेगी इसको, क्योंकि यहां से वो इंफिनिटी की तरफ जा रही है. इट विल कट. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? हियर इट इज E. क्या ये कट करेगी? यस. क्यों? क्योंकि ये यहां से आ रही है, इंफिनिटी से आ रही है, इसके थ्रू बीच में से आएगी, इफेक्ट विल बी देयर. तो ये तो दोनों एक ही साइड में. What is the net electric field in region number second? E plus E, that is 2 times E. And what is this? What is E? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Cancel. What is the answer? Sigma by epsilon naught. So what is electric field in the between the plates? Sigma by epsilon naught. In region number third, E third. यहाँ point ले लेते हैं. Sit. This is a point and this is a circular cap, part of the cylinder. अब इसको कौन कौन से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कट कर रही है? कौन कौन से कर रही है? क्या ये कट करेगी? नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज यहां से कहां जा रही है? इंफिनिटी की तरफ. क्या ये कट करेगी? यस. ये यहां से जाएगी. इट विल क्रॉस दिस प्लेट एंड इट विल कट इट. E. क्या ये कट करेगी? नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी एंड एंड्स एट दिस प्लेट. क्या ये कट करेगी? यस. क्योंकि इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी एंड इट विल एंड एट दिस प्लेट. दिस इज माइनस E. तो ये इधर आ रही है कि इधर आ रही है, तो हम दोनों को वेक्टरली ऐड कर लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? E minus of E. What's the answer? 0. So what's the conclusion? Conclusion is that if it is a parallel plate capacitor, one plate is positively charged, say, and other is equally negatively charged, the electric field outside it is 0, and between the plates it is sigma by epsilon naught. See, it's not sigma by 2 epsilon, it is sigma by epsilon naught. So please इस फॉर्मूले को याद रखें. Learn this formula and it is a very helpful formula. The electric field between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor is sigma by epsilon naught, and outside the plate it is 0. So that is what I want to teach you today. So this is to be learned by you. Electric field outside the plates is 0 and electric field between the plates is sigma by epsilon naught, and it is uniform. Sigma by epsilon naught, it is uniform, it is independent of the distance. That's all for today. Thank you very much.